Prepositions of time at, in, on. In general, we use at for a precise time. For example, at 3 o'clock, at 9:30 a.m., at noon, at night, at the bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment. I have class at 8:30 a.m. The shops close at midnight. In, for months, years, centuries, season, long periods and parts of the day. For example, in May, in 1999, in the summer, in the morning, in the past, in the future. I was born in 1999. He usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. On, for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on the 1st of May. Do you work on Saturday? What will you do on New Year's Day? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.